All right, guys, welcome to H-E-B. Over here at the intersection of, right down there's Palmer. Well, you're looking at Ronald W. Reagan. Over there's Palmer, and this is 1431. I'm not sure about my count. I must be off somewhere, but I'm counting 10 of these little posts here. They got all the equipment they need to, I guess, tear up asphalt and repave and all that stuff. So there looks like they're set to go as far as that goes. They've done all the digging, so that part's looking good. Oh, this must be for a light standard, right? I think so. It's interesting that post is closer to the curb than the rest of these. I'm kind of curious about this. So it's not, obviously, they're not going to put prefabricated in here. Maybe that's good news? Who knows? Okay, what else can I see? Yeah, they have this post hidden over here. So maybe they'll have a post over here for a pull-in. Oh, okay, yes. So they're going to have 3 cabinets. So they're going to have 3 superchargers. I wonder if they're going to figure out a way to do 12 posts. Oh, we'll see. Oh, I'm not counting that one there. There's one right there. Does that count? Sorry, I'm just exploring to some extent. Ow. Okay, I don't know. But I find it very curious that they're not doing the prefab thing here. They're doing the putting them in one at a time. And I'm kind of guessing this is where a transformer's going to go. Well, no, there's going to be several cabinets in here, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. I see a bunch of pipes are pulled up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh, I don't know. I don't know what to make of that. So you got this pad here, and you got this pad over here that also has a bunch of pipes pulled onto it. I'll be curious. Okay, so coming over to here, they obviously broke the sidewalk, or cut the sidewalk to come up to here. So that's obviously an old transformer, and this looks like a residential one to me. It's similar to the ones in my neighborhood, ABC. Okay, but they must have hooked into something around here. There you go. All right, that's further out, so my home supercharger is still my home supercharger, so to speak. Oh, that's interesting. It is open on this side. Well, I can use their porta potty. I thought they had fenced off the porta potty. Okay, whatever. Peace and harmony. So for those of you who don't know, this is where the H-E-B gas station is. And it makes sense to me. Put it next to the gas station. And there's a Starbucks down there. And H-E-B over here. And there's a Subway and some other restaurants around there somewhere. Or fast food places. That was a Whataburger over there. Whoops, forgot about Whataburger. Okay. This sounds like it's going to be fairly good. I like it. Okay, so rethinking this a little bit. Just looking at the parking lot here. So they just paved this section of asphalt. So that's why the asphalt machines are there. They just happen to use the same spot to park all the asphalt. Okay, makes some sense. There you go.